If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think
we touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is chiggy, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to cover up any part of your house, any wall in your house, using a wallpaper, or rather in this case a carpet. Now I did this for my kitchen, and let's just get right into the video. Now everything used in this video will be written down in the description box, every single detail, and I'll be explaining as we go ahead how we achieved this for my kitchen.
We touch, we break, make it seem.
So this is the part of my wall that I will be fixing this 5 minutes DIY on, because of these things that refuse to go out. So let's start with the cutting process.
We feel the same. We love what we hate.
So like I wrote earlier, you have to cut out the fabric, or this is not a fabric, this is a carpet, out the exact measurements you need for your wall. Now I needed to just cover half of my wall, and that is what I cut out, and we'll be using hot glue for this process. The hot gum wasn't available at the moment, so we just use hot glue for this process. This is a very quick process, and I think it's self-explanatory. Now the reason why I use the carpet for my wall is because you can easily clean it off if it gets dirty, and this is a kitchen, so definitely food will be spilling around, and I need something I can easily clean it off if food spills on it. So you need a help, because someone needs to hold it to the other end of your room while you're gluing it to your wall. You can also use top gum, the white one, if possible.
It was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
So this is the final look of the kitchen compared to what we had before, and this took us about 10 to 15 minutes to do. If not for some parts we got confused, but this is literally a 5 minutes craft. So I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys next time. Bye.